Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove your Stripe account from your Beacons AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Stripe from your Beacons AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses or products through your Beacons AI, you know that sometimes they can put your payments on hold, so maybe you would rather just remove the Stripe payment method completely. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove your Stripe account, here on the bottom left, you're going to click on your profile icon. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options at the top, and in order to remove your Stripe account, click on payments. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the payment options you have connected so that way your customers can pay you. You can see I just have my Stripe here, and in order to delete it or remove it, click on these 3 dots next to the logo. Once you do that, you're going to see another option and click on this red delete button. Okay, they do warn you, are you sure you want to go ahead and disconnect your Stripe account? Just note that once you disconnect your Stripe account, your customer's not going to be able to pay via credit card unless you go back in and reconnect your Stripe. If you're okay with that, click on disconnect. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Stripe has been removed from my Beacons AI, so I can no longer accept credit card payments with my Stripe unless I reconnect it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Stripe account from your Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.